Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is me, Qari Faisal Shafiq, an awarded Quran reciter from Join Online Quran Institute. Hope you are doing well today. In the previous lecture, we started Noon, Sakin, and Tanween rules, and I discussed with you there were four types of Noon, Sakin, and Tanween. So the first rule was Izhar Rule, second one was Idgham, third one was Iqlab, and the fourth rule was Ikhfa. And today I'm going to discuss with you the first rule of Noon, Sakin, and Tanween, which is Izhar rule. Okay, you can see here what what's that mean? What is Izhar means? Okay, let me describe you first. What is Izhar? Izhar means to clear. What's that mean? It means we have to read the letters without nasal sound. Okay, so which letters we need to read without nasal sound? Noon Sakin and Tanween. What we discussed in the previous lecture, we are reading Noon Sakin and Tanween rules. Noon Sakin mean Noon with Sakun sign and Tanween means doubles. So when any double sign come or when Noon Sakin comes with this Sakun sign, so you will read without nasal sound. That is called Izhar rule. Okay, but when to read these two letters without nasal sound, what is the rule of Izhar actually? So now we are going to discuss what is Izhar rule. When the letter after Noon Sakin and Tanween is throat letter. What's that mean? Let me tell you. Look, here is Noon Sakin. Noon is with Sakun sign here. And here is Tanween. Tanween means two Fatha is here. And after two Fatha, you can see here, this letter is Ha, which is throat letter. And here you can see after Noon Sakin, this letter is Hamza. That's mean this letter is also a throat letter. Okay, now you will see or now you can think about this letter how it could be Hamza. Here is Alif. But remember when any sign comes on Alif, upside or downside the letter Alif, so it will become Hamza. So Hamza is a throat letter because we pronounce Hamza from our throat. Okay, so here is Tanween. Tanween means double sign. So here is two fatha from doubles. So after Tanween, there is Alif having no sign on it. So that's mean we will skip this. And after Tanween, there is Ha, which is from throat letters. So when the letter after Noon Sakin and Tanween is throat letter, you will read Noon Sakin and Tanween without nasal sound. That is called actually Izhar rule. Okay, but how we can recognize this letter is throat letter and this letter is also a throat letter? So we need to learn, we need to memorize throat letters. So how many throat letters are? There are six throat letters which we pronounce always from throat. Okay, so which letters are throat letters? Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. These six letters are throat letters because we pronounce these six throat letters from throat. Okay, so Hamza and Ha, these two letters we pronounce from the bottom part of our throat, and Ain and Ha we pronounce from the middle part of throat, and Ghain and Kha we pronounce from the upper part of our throat. So in Arabic we can say these six letters halqi letters. Halqi means throat letters. Okay, so in English, you know, these are throat letters. Okay, so now you can see here this letter is Nun Sakin, and after Nun Sakin, this letter is Hamza, which I already explained you. When on Alif there comes any sign, it will become always Hamza. Okay, so Hamza is a throat letter, and here is double Fatha, and when double Fatha, double Kasra, or double Dhamma, any sign of them comes, so that's mean these signs are Tanween signs. And after Tanween, if there comes throat letter, which is from Ha, here you can see, and you will read also this Tanween and Noon Sakin without the nasal sound, and that is called actually Izhar Rule. Okay, so how to read these two letters without nasal sound? Like Nuhan Hadaina. We cannot stretch the nasal sound here like Nuhan Hadaina, like that. So it will be a wrong sound. And here is also Man Amana. Quickly you have to read like Man Amana. If you will stretch the nasal sound here like Man Amana, so it will be a wrong sound. So that's why we discussed this Izhar rule. To fix this mistake, you have to read quickly here and here as well to apply Izhar rule, and you can practice this Izhar rule. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next coming lecture, which will be about Idgham, the second type of Noon Sakin and Tanween. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.